Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this tutorial for the first time, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make this three-toned granny square using these three colors: a 5.0 millimeter hook and a pair of scissors. So let's get into this video. So the first step in this tutorial is pick our first color or our major color. So anyhow, so we are going to start with the red color. We're going to start with the red color. So pick the red color, make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, then slip stitch the first row to the first chain 3, make 16 double crochet. So we make 4 first, 3, 4, chain 1, make another 4, 2, 3, 4. We're going to pull through with the blue. Then as usual with twists. Make chain 1, then make the next 8 double crochet. So 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, put in another 4, 3, 4. So in total we are having 16. That's 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 into 4 places. You're going to slip stitch, chain 1, then cut your yarn like this, press down. So you're going to go in with the next color, which is the blue. So we're going to start from here. You're no longer starting from here, but you're starting from here. So start from here, put in 2 double crochet, put in 2 double crochet, then put in 1 double crochet into the next 3 space, 2, 3, like this. Then put in 2 double crochet into 1 hole, like this, chain 1, then put in extra 2 double crochet, like this. Put in 1 double crochet into the next 3 space, 2, 3, then put in 2 double crochet, 1, 2. So I'm going to pull through the last 2, then pull through with the red, twist, you're going to twist and chain 1, then put in extra 2 into the same hole. So 1, 2, like this. Then continue, put in 3 into the next space, 1, 2, 3, like this. put in 2, chain 1, put in another 2. So this is what you should be having. Then 2, then 1 1 into the next 3 space. Then into the last, you put in 2 double crochet to make a total of 4 in our corner. Chain 1, then you slip stitch. Slip stitch, you chain 2, cut your yarn. So this is what we are having so far. For the third row, we are going to work on the light blue. So we're going to pick our yarn. We are going to start from here where we stopped. So chain 3, put in 2 double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet, go in 1 double crochet into the next 6 space like this. Into the next 6 space. So in total you should be having 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So for our corner we are having 2 here, chain 1, put in another 2 like this, then continue. Putting 2 into the space, 1 2 like this. We're not going to pull through the last 2, we're just going to pick our next color. We're going to twist, we're going to make a chain, then continue. So we're going to repeat this process till the very last row. So we're going to continue. We're going to put in 2 double crochet in here, chain 1, put in 2 double crochet into the big cluster, then continue. Then put in 2 double crochet in here, chain 1 and slip stitch. Cut your yarn. So you should be having something like this. We are going to continue with the now initial sample we made 3 rows, but for this we are going to make 4 rows for more explanation. For the 4th row we are going to pick our next color, chain 3, put in 2 double crochet, then go in 1 double crochet into the next 9 space, put in 2 double crochet like this, chain 1, put in another 2 double crochet to bring it to the total of 4 double crochet in the same hole, then make double crochet in the next 9 stitches. So we've gotten to this point. I'm just going to make 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Going to make 2 double crochet in here. Pick our next color. I'm just going to continue our work. Chain 1, then continue. Put in 1 single crochet in the next 9, 1 double crochet in the next 9 space, please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you. So this is what we are having, and this is what you should be having. Chain 1, put in 1 double crochet, and put in 1 double crochet into the next 9 space. We're just going to continue till we get to the final stop. Two double crochet, chain 1. You're just going to chain 1 and slip stitch here, chain 2 and cut our yarn, turn work, going to cut our yarn, So this is the end of this tutorial, and this is what we are having as our end results. So this is what we are having, and this is what you should be having. This is the front panel, and this is the back panel. The front and the back. So we're going to cut our excess yarn. We're going to tie first before cutting. We're going to tie it, then cut. Thank you for watching this video till the very end. Please do give this video a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button